car is so dirty. Still have the marks from the wrap. Might be able to see it. But my headlights are clean though. Still. Dirty obviously from driving, but no haze, still perfectly clear. Oh yeah. Limo tuning. Hello from the mic. My car is way too loud to do this while I'm driving, so I'm just making this video or making this voiceover after. But I just wanted to do a quick update video, 1 year update of these eBay rotors, drilled and slotted. I have had no issues whatsoever. Also, I have the pads that came with them as well, and same thing with those, no issues. They don't seem to be fading very quickly. Brake pedal still feels good. For a couple months, I thought my rotors were warped. However, that has gone away, and they are good again, so I guess that's good. I'm not going to question it, but overall, I am happy. So far as of now, I still recommend them, so if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll answer them. Later.
Didn't even get to cross.